Hey everyone, today we're going to set up an automation to take the information from your website or your blog and automatically send that to your social media channels. So if you have a new article that you published on your website and you want to get it out there and promote it, this Zap will automatically take that information and send it out through your social media channels, like for example Twitter, potentially Instagram, Facebook pages, LinkedIn pages, and we'll explore all the different ways that we can do that with a few different Zaps using the free tier in Zapier today. So stay tuned and watch the rest of the video. Cheers. Great, so here we are back in Zapier, in the dashboard, and then you can see My Zaps, and we have the one that we worked on before over here in the New Clients folder, but we'll just stay in the Home folder for now. And the purpose of this video is to set up a Zap that takes the information from the website or blog, the latest article, and then automatically publishes some information on social media channels to promote that new content. So to start setting this up, we will click on Make a Zap, and we're going to use the RSS feature. It's called RSS by Zapier. There it is. And the RSS feed it's available for most blogs and most websites. Sometimes you may need to turn it on, and depending on which platform you use, you'll probably have to Google that to work out where the RSS feed is. But in many cases, it follows a similar kind of pattern, and I'll show you that in the example today. So the RSS feed is essentially the ongoing content that is changing on your website. So for example, it might be new articles or new blog posts and these sorts of things. It's a way for systems to subscribe to that content and be notified when that content is updated, when there's new content available. So if we look at this sort of simple website, it sort of explains RSS. So it stands for Rich Site Summary, but these days everyone just refers to it as RSS. And here's some more details. So you can Google it if you want to find out more. But what we're going to do is set up Zapier for the RSS feed, and we're going to say every time there's a new item in the feed, then you should trigger the event. And then we need to customize the trigger in Zapier. So we need the feed URL. So in the case of this one, I've set up a sort of like a testing blog on Wix, which is a free website builder. And so we have it here. Basically, every time a new blog post is published here, it will then notify the RSS feed. And in the case of Wix, the RSS feed is at the URL /blog-feed.xml, but this can be quite different depending on platform. So you'll have to look at the blog website that you use to find out this particular code. So we grab this URL, we paste it here under feed URL. We don't need to log in or have a password to get access to this RSS feed, so we can leave those blank. And we can leave what triggers newsfeed. We can leave that as the recommended choice. And then we click next, and then we're going to test the connection and see, Zapier is going to see if it can pull some example. So let's see, it seems to have worked. Yep, there we go. So you can see it's pulled some recent blog posts here. And item A is one that I recently published as an example earlier today. So we're going to use that one to populate our Zap so that it can do some testing as we go. And so then what are we going to do? We want to publish, let's say, to Twitter to start with. And we want to create a tweet. So we've got to sign in to Twitter. Okay. Don't want to follow Zapier. And then I've already signed in to Twitter in another, here it is, in another window. So Twitter's already, twitter.com, I already signed in there. So now all I have to do is click Authorize App. Great, so there it is. And my Twitter account for testing is just called Testing Zap. That's why it says that. Okay, and then we have the message we want to include. So maybe we can include some text like, check out our latest article and then we can include that, and then the URL, the link. And then we want it to automatically shorten URLs. Great feature, so we'll do that. Click continue. So this is how it's going to appear. We'll send the test. So under my testing Zap, the tweet 30 seconds ago came through here. Check out our latest article. Why do you need marketing automation? And you click that, and it will go into the new article. Beautiful. Okay, so then what do we need to do? We've got to make sure we add a name for this Zap. So I'm going to say promote new article on Twitter. And we turn it on. Done. Now let's do a similar thing for Facebook pages. So I'm going to duplicate this, copy this, and we'll go into here. We'll change the name first so we don't get confused. Okay. I'm going to go back to the setup. We have the RSS feed is already done. We just need to change this from Twitter to Facebook. We want to create a page post. Continue. I need to sign into Facebook pages. Okay, so we allow Zapier the access. We link that to the page. Click continue. And then we're going to go to, so we're going to use the test page, which is just the name of my Facebook page there for testing. And so the post message, it is going to be, so we'll say check out our latest article. Share your thoughts. And then we have the title and link. And we'll include the link here as well. We can just remove it. Okay. So then we send test. Okay, great. And then let's test. Let's see if it worked. There it is. Test page. Just now, check out our latest article, share your thoughts. Why do you need marketing automation? And there it is, the link. Done. Okay, so that's the Facebook page one done. I'm going to make sure we turn that on. And then let's copy it again. And we'll do LinkedIn company page. So same again. LinkedIn company page. Change this to LinkedIn. Create company update. LinkedIn are requesting approval to allow with Zapier, so that's what I'll do. Click allow. And then I'm going to select that is my account. Continue. So select the company page. I've labeled this, named this page company page just for the testing. And then, it will obviously that will have the name of your company instead. So don't worry about that, but you should find your company name there. And then we've got the same thing. So check out our latest article. And then we add in the title. We can put in a URL for preview. And we'll put the link in here as well. Let's see how this looks. We'll send test. And we'll check out LinkedIn. There we go. Check out the latest article. Why do you need marketing automation? And there's the short URL, and there's the link. So easy, isn't it? So we turn that one on. And let's keep it nice and organized. So let's call it article promotion. Move all these guys into the folders. Article promotion, article promotion. And then we have all three zaps are now set up using the free account, just two-step zaps. And so it's going to Facebook page, your LinkedIn page, and your Twitter every time you publish an article on your blog or website. So I hope that's been useful. Please share your comments below, any questions you have, anything else you want to learn more about. And also don't forget to subscribe and share this content with anyone else you think would find it useful. We'd love to get more people engaging, and hopefully we can help more in terms of these tutorials and what we go through here. Okay, great. Cheers.